Today we explode grandmas.
What?
Ham King!
I'm almost.
Welcome to your show, the only show where you can find grandmas and exploding in the same episode. That's true, actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm going to search Grandma's Exploding on YouTube and I'm going to show you all the results.
Today we're playing board games because I had money and I didn't know what else to do with it besides buy money.
Buy money?
Buy board games. Wow! Greedy Granny.
What's that? Oh, that's Granny's torso.
Don't take it out!
Oh, look at that. All right, kids, time to lay Grandma to rest.
I feel like I have to talk about that.
I'm not cleaning that up.
So I'm going to build Grandma while Jay goes ahead and he reads what we're supposed to do for this game.
All right, well, step 1 was place the top half of Granny into the bottom half by snapping together. Step 2, insert Granny's teeth into her mouth.
Ta-da! Grandma, just go to sleep.
Did you put her teeth in? Step 3,
Ah, Jesus!
pull back on Granny's chair until you hear a click and Granny is snoozing. Load
it's
all
like
the
Jake.
treats in the tray and you're ready to play. Ready? Here we go. That didn't work. That's not working. Hold on.
There you go. Oh, go ahead, take 2 pieces. I mean,
I don't
take
take
a
two
piece.
pieces. I take one piece and I
Okay,
press the
all
button 2
right,
times.
go ahead, take a piece. Oh,
I
dude!
take a red cookie.
Oh, fuck. Oh, dude, Grandma's snoring, brah. Now that's a spin.
What'd you get?
I got 2 also. Yeah, see, I think this is fucked. I think it's like grinding to a stop right there.
It's fine. Just take press the button twice.
I'm gonna take a pretzel.
Don't wake Granny.
A little delicious pretzel. Here you go, Granny.
Don't. You're gonna wake her up, dude.
Watch this. Oh my That actually scared me. Oh
I
my
hate Granny. Why do we have to stay at Granny's house, Mom? I hate her.
Go ahead, Jay.
Here I go. To spin the thing to win the game.
It actually scared me twice now. I hate this game.
Oh my god. One time. I'm gonna take a pretzel.
Fuck you.
Ready? Granny's faking it. She's not asleep.
Granny, what did you say about faking?
Come on,
sleeping?
Grandma.
Oh my god. This is fucked. Because that's a sign that she's gonna fucking explode.
Maybe.
Fucking.
What'd you get?
I got 1 press.
One press.
Oh, what do you got?
I got a cookie and a pretzel.
I'm gonna get an orange wafer.
Ooh.
Oh, fuck. It's like, I hope you're putting like horror music in. Whenever she, like, yeah, 2 presses.
Press. Also orange.
Why? Because then if you land on a stealer thing, then you can't steal one.
2 times, right?
All right. Oh, fuck. Come on, Grandma!
What'd you get? 2 bond presses.
You know what? 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 Yeah. I have to press it twice?
Yeah.
Fuck. I hate it. This sucks.
1 button. 1 press.
I don't think you were holding it right.
What are you talking about?
Come on, Granny. Come on, Granny.
Ah.
Yes, bitch. 1 press.
Oh,
You're doing a great job, dude.
listen.
Oh, you
What
just
does
gotta
purple
press
do?
it 1 time without any. You don't get any cookies. You just gotta press
Oh,
it.
I take one from you. Isn't that what purple does? Oh, no, that's what this is.
Yeah.
Here you go. Anyway. What'd you get?
Oh, I have to press it 2 times without any treats.
Uh-oh.
Fuck. Grandma, you dumb bitch. You better stay asleep. Okay.
Next time, Mom says, your kids are going to Grandma's house. Remember to tell Mom to fuck off.
Yo, remember that time Grandma
Grandma's a
fucking
bitch.
killed both cousin Teresa and cousin Johnny? Just for fucking
This is
taking
like a
cookies?
Goosebumps episode.
What did you get?
I got 2.
Oh,
Goosebumps
okay.
episodes. This is like a Goosebumps episode. In Board game form.
Grandma, please don't wake up. Oh, fuck! It does it every time! I'm not playing, dude. This is legitimately scaring me every time.
I hate Grandma. Grandma sucks, dude. Here you go, Grandma. Hey, you have your fucking cookies, you old bitch. Skip your turn.
Oh, come on. I'm one piece away from winning.
Skip my turn, too.
Ooh. Is that one press?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh. Nope.
Okay.
One press. This is my fucking cookie, Grandma. I'm eating it. Yo, bitch.
Grandma,
But
when
she'll
you
stay down.
queef, dust comes out.
Ew. Yeah, I feel like we're just... Let's get my turn. I feel like we're just tempting Grandma at this point.
I want it to be...
You'd think she would hide the cookies somewhere instead of sleeping with them on her lap.
One press! All right. I'm hardcore. Ready? Let's go, Grandma.
One press.
I'm mad that you just keep getting them and I'm not getting anything. All right.
I'm safe from Grandma.
Come on. Yes!
Would you
All
get
right.
2 presses?
Yeah, fuck.
All right, you win if you get this, though.
Come on, Grandma, you dumb bitch. I'm gonna stare at you. Fuck, this is actually like...
One more.
Yeah, bitch! Bruce wins. Put the fucking drink away. How many times do I have to talk to you about putting drinks away? We're filming.
I'm thirsty.
I don't fucking care. Second game? Builder boom.
Wow.
It's a very simple game. Both of us have to build, and whoever builds the thing first gets to explode the other person's thing. Made by Milton Bradley.
Bruce, we got a rubber hose.
That is the last thing I've ever wanted you to do with anything. Never do it again.
Why?
Because I just told you don't.
So, I have to listen to you.
Do we really have to have a talk, right? It's called Skyscraper. Ready? Go. Fucking these things
Whoa.
right here.
I didn't see it work.
Oh, fuck. Ah! God damn it! We went dead silent. That was not even fun. That was just quiet. 3, 2, 1. It's called the Barrel O' Monkeys. Oh,
There's
fuck.
no monkeys in that barrel. Ain't nothing but little men.
Oh, these little men. I hate that we have to put a fucking barrel
Oh
here.
my god, it sucks.
Oh, fuck.
And then it's like, and then it's like.
No!
Nice.
Fuck! No! It all came down.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We're still in this.
Are you pep talking both of us, dude?
I mean, no. I was referring to me and my man here. We are still in this.
Your construction man?
Where the fucking...
I lost a piece. Okay, mine fell, but mine was done when I pressed yours, okay?
That's a lie.
It's called balancing act for this one. Fucking, you gotta build a guy. Ready, go. Oh, fuck! We gotta, like... Oh, I didn't even get to, like... That's not fair! I'm sorry. Come here. It's okay. We need those to play the game, Jay! It's called that balance, though.
That balance, though?
Ready, go.
I hate that name. You gotta rename it.
It's called Meatland's Biggest Fool.
What does that mean?
It means it's a foolish Meatland man.
Oh, he's very funny.
That funny little Meatland boy. Is that a tie?
I did it first.
No, that was a tie.
I did it first. I'm gonna play in slow
Replay.
motion, and we're gonna see that I did it first.
No, I don't think. I think we did it at the same time.
No. Instant replay. Here you go.
But we can't look at it.
I'm looking at it right now, and I did it first.
Jay, this one's for you. It's called Never Skip Leg Day.
Whoa. I get it because I never skip leg day, dude.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
See, he lifts all that stuff with his legs?
Yeah, bro.
Mad
Never skip leg day. Shit! Come on. Uh-oh.
It's fine.
So today was an ORT tie. Thanks for letting us into your home.
Yeah.
Sorry we punched your granny, then built things.
I'm not sorry you punched your grandma.
Yeah,
Grandma's
grandma's
a bitch.
fucked up.
Grandma sucks.